Imagine holding the future in your hands. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is more than just a smartphone, it's a powerful tool. Today, we'll explore 8 amazing things you can do with this incredible device. First, let's talk about the stunning camera system. With a 48-megapixel main camera, you capture breathtaking photos. The low-light performance is exceptional, making night shots vivid and clear. Next, video recording reaches new heights. You can shoot in 4K at 60 FPS. This makes your videos look professional and engaging. You can even edit them on the device. Moving on, let's discuss the A16 Bionic chip. This chip ensures smooth performance. Whether gaming or multitasking, it handles everything with ease. You can run demanding apps without any lag. Additionally, let's explore the battery life. The iPhone 16 Pro Max lasts all day. No need to worry about running out of charge during important moments. Next, enjoy the new dynamic island feature. It transforms notifications into an interactive experience. You can easily access music controls, calls, and more without interrupting your tasks. The integration with Apple's ecosystem is seamless. You can easily sync with your Mac, Apple Watch, and iPad. This makes transferring files extremely convenient. Let's not forget about customization. You can personalize your home screen with widgets and themes. This allows you to create a unique experience tailored to your style. Finally, explore the robust security features. Face ID and secure enclave technology keep your personal data safe. You can shop online and store sensitive information confidently. To summarize, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a multifunctional powerhouse. It offers a stunning camera, incredible performance, long battery life, and strong security. With all these features, your iPhone is more than a phone. It's a complete experience. Explore what your device can do today. So, if you own an iPhone 16 Pro Max, dive in and start using these powerful features. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and insights. Imagine capturing not just moments, but memories with the iPhone 16 Pro Max's impressive camera system. Whether it's a gathering with friends or a serene sunset, every shot holds the potential for breathtaking beauty. With the ability to adjust settings on the fly, you can enhance your photos in real time and instantly share them on social media. Next, let's delve into the remarkable capabilities of video recording. Imagine shooting your favorite moments in crisp 4K at 60 FPS. Each frame showcases stunning detail and vibrant colors. You can create engaging content effortlessly, and with built-in editing tools, you can refine your videos right from your device. The power of the A16 Bionic chip truly takes your experience to the next level, effortlessly managing graphic-intensive games and multiple apps simultaneously. As you navigate seamlessly between tasks, you'll find that even the most demanding applications run without a hitch, enhancing productivity and enjoyment. In a world where speed matters, this chip ensures you never miss a beat and always stay ahead. Whether you are streaming your favorite series or working on a creative project, the iPhone 16 Pro Max keeps pace with your lifestyle like never before, making every interaction smooth and satisfying. As you immerse yourself in this device, the battery life becomes a true ally. Imagine attending meetings or going on spontaneous adventures without the shadow of a dying battery looming overhead. With the iPhone 16 Pro Max, you can confidently engage in endless calls and capture moments, knowing it has the stamina to keep up. Even during those long days of travel or work, the remarkable longevity of this battery ensures you remain powered up and connected. It's more than just a feature, it's the freedom to explore without limitations or interruptions. Next, we can't overlook the innovative dynamic island feature that redefines notifications. Imagine receiving alerts that aren't just disruptive pop-ups, but interactive widgets that enrich your experience. With this feature, you can easily access music controls or respond to calls directly as you work on other tasks, promoting a seamless workflow and an uninterrupted flow of creativity. This evolution in notifications further enhances how you interact with your iPhone, making everything feel more intuitive and engaging. Next, let's dive into the seamless integration within Apple's ecosystem. Picture yourself effortlessly syncing your iPhone 16 Pro Max with your Mac, Apple Watch, and iPad. This harmonious connectivity not only simplifies your digital life, but enhances your productivity as files and notifications flow smoothly between devices. You can start a task on your phone and finish on your laptop without missing a beat. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is not just about utility, it's a customizable experience that reflects your personality. With options to personalize widgets and themes, you can create a digital space that is uniquely yours. Explore these features and transform your device into an extension of your life, elevating every moment. Imagine delving deeper into the robust security features of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The advanced Face ID technology delivers an unparalleled level of safeguarding, utilizing facial recognition to ensure that only you can access your device. As you shop online or manage sensitive information, the Secure Enclave technology adds another layer of protection, encrypting your data to prevent unauthorized access. This combination not only secures your personal details, but also instills peace of mind, allowing you to navigate your digital life safely. In addition to these impressive security measures, the iPhone 16 Pro Max enhances your experience with features like Apple Pay. Imagine making quick and safe transactions without the need for physical cards. With just a touch of your finger, you can settle your bills or make purchases online, knowing that your financial information is protected. Additionally, the device benefits from regular software updates, which continuously improve security protocols and they expand functionality, ensuring that your iPhone remains secure and up-to-date with the latest innovations. Every aspect of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is designed to elevate your daily interactions, making it an indispensable companion for both work and play. When you think about the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it's clear that it is a window to a world of possibilities. Each feature is crafted to enhance not just convenience, but enrich your lifestyle, connecting you to what matters most. From its innovative camera and powerful performance to its flawless integration within the Apple ecosystem, this remarkable device empowers you to explore, create, and secure your digital journey. Discover the future with the iPhone 16 Pro Max and embrace the endless potential it offers for making every day extraordinary. As we conclude our exploration of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it's evident that this smartphone transcends